This 89.4 inches tall stainless steel patio heater features a mesmerizing glass flame tube that is sure to liven up any atmosphere. The 42,000 BTUs of heat output will keep you warm all night long. A side door gives you easy access to the 20 pounds propane tank, making it easy to change it out as needed. The attached wheels make it easy to move the heater to your preferred spot. The variable heat setting allows you to adjust the temperature to your liking. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The outdoor pyramid heater stainless steel has a variable heat setting and a built-in control valve that allows you to adjust and regulate the temperature to your liking. Comes with a tip-over protection system. A safety valve will automatically shut off the heater if it is tilted. Number 2. A side of outdoor stainless steel heater gives you easy access to the 20 pounds propane tank, making it easy to change it out as needed. Number 3. Pyramid heater cover included. You'll be assured a custom-like fit while fade-resistant fabric protects your pyramid heater. Cover zips open and closed with ease. In windy weather, please move the heater to the house to avoid unnecessary losses. Number 4. The reliable pulse ignition system for quick, easy starting. Variable heat setting and a built-in control valve allow you to adjust and regulate the temperature to your liking. Number 5. This 89.4 inches tall outdoor patio heater features a mesmerizing glass flame tube that is guaranteed to liven up any atmosphere. The long-lasting stainless steel finish is sure to catch the eye of your partygoers. Number 6. Metal reflector shield. Covers up to 115 square feet, providing heat up to 10 feet in diameter. Number 7. Mesmerizing glass flame tube. Quartz tubes display charming flames, adding decor to your yard. Number 8. Convenient wheel assembly. Makes it easy to move the heater to your preferred entertaining spot. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.